Rolling Meadows, Illinois, began as a rural area settled in the 1830s by European immigrants, primarily Germans, who farmed the fertile land. Originally part of Palatine Township, the area remained largely agricultural until the post-World War II suburban boom. In 1955, developers Kimball Hill and others incorporated Rolling Meadows as a city to meet the growing demand for suburban housing, transforming farmland into residential neighborhoods. Suburban development, 1950s, 1960s. The 1950s marked rapid growth as Rolling Meadows became a planned suburban community. Kimball Hill's company built affordable single-family homes, attracting young families from Chicago. The city's layout emphasized accessibility, with major roads like Algonquin Road and Kirchhoff Road shaping its grid. By 1960, the population grew to over 10,000, fueled by the nationwide trend of suburbanization and the appeal of a quieter, family-friendly environment. Economic and industrial growth, 1960s, 1980s. Rolling Meadows evolved into a commercial hub with the establishment of business parks and corporate offices. The city attracted companies like Northrop Corporation and later, major tech firms, due to its proximity to Chicago and O'Hare International Airport. The development of the Woodfield Mall nearby in Schaumburg further boosted the area's economy, making Rolling Meadows a key player in the northwest suburbs' commercial landscape. Community and infrastructure expansion, 1980s, 2000s. The city invested in schools, parks, and public services to support its growing population, which peaked at around 24,000 in the 1990s. Notable developments included Rolling Meadows High School and the community center. The city also maintained a balance of green spaces, like the Salt Creek Nature Preserve, while improving infrastructure to accommodate increasing traffic and residential needs, solidifying its suburban identity. Modern era and diversity, 2000s. Present Rolling Meadows has become more diverse, with a significant Hispanic and Asian population enriching its cultural fabric. The city continues to adapt, focusing on revitalizing its downtown area and updating aging infrastructure. Recent efforts emphasize sustainability and community engagement, with events like the Farmers Market and festivals fostering local pride. As of 2025, Rolling Meadows remains a vibrant suburb with a population of approximately 23,000.